Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. Well, I'm down at the storage yard and I've got Juliet with me today because it's time to put everything back in the caravan that we've had in storage at home. So what we thought we'd do, we'd take you around the van inside and show you how we set it up. And also, there may be the odd tip or two along the way. But let's go and join Juliet inside.
Hi everyone. Well, it's a really cold day, so I'm keeping my hat on. We're getting ready for the season now, and I've got Phil to carry in my store cupboard. So what I'm going to do is fill it up. Now, it'll probably take me a few minutes, so I'll show you once I've filled it up. So I've filled up our store cupboard now. Now, I always have what I call an emergency first aid, just in case I forget to bring the food, you know. It happens. So I always have beans and sausage and a pack of mash. So beans and sausage and mashed potatoes. Always have Phil's favourite, bacon grill and beans, your pack of eggs. That's a breakfast. And the staple, a couple of tins of soup for dinner. Put in our condiments, because if I leave them in, they'll go damp or they'll go funny, because we've left oil.
Last time, didn't they?
We did. We left some oil in, and it went frozen. Oil does not like being in ice cold temperatures, so I usually then restock them. Put in our tea bags, and I've always still got some sugar cubes in our tub, so we've got plenty of them for now, and a fresh box of cereal, which I'll put in the Tupperware when we get on site next week. And now for the important stuff. We've got our gin and our tonic. And for anybody else that visits, we have got some soft drinks. So I've brought all the toiletries down, and I've learned a few valuable lessons over the last few years. Some things are better full size, say for example toothpaste, lasts all season. Other things, I don't need a talc the size of Guatemala. That lasts me all year. So I'm going to get these put away now.
Now we're in March still, and we're going away in a few days, and we've decided that we're not going to make the bed up because I don't know if you've done this. We find sometimes it can get a bit damp and feel a bit uncomfortable. So what Juliet did, she nipped to IKEA one day and she bought these bags. Now they're quite thick and they're great. They protect from the moisture and they're not very expensive. So we pack all our bedding in there, but we also pre-make our bedding at home when we bring it here. So all we have to do is take it out, put it on the bed, and it all works fine for us. Now it will feel a little damp or cold when we first get into the caravan. So what Juliet does is put a couple of hot water bottles in the bed and it warms it up, makes it nice and toasty.
Now those who've followed our channel for the last few years will know I do like doing crafts and I do like making things for the caravan. So over the last winter I've actually made a new mat for the front of the caravan and also a new one for the front door, and I'm really pleased with them. So's Phil, but let us know what you think.
Well folks, that's a few little things that we wanted to show you. They're based on lessons that we've learnt, really, haven't they?
Well, they have. The condiments is we didn't take them home and they were rock solid and we had to be thrown away, so that was wasteful.
Wasteful, yeah.
Also the miniatures, we never had enough. Forget them, fill them up, and
cost more money in the long run. Not worth it. The IKEA bags are a fantastic idea. If you can get hold of a few of them and put your bedding in, if you have to. It
really does keep the damp away and makes it easier for moving them around. So
it does indeed.
That's a lifesaver. Yeah.
Well, it's not long, a couple of days' time, and we're away in the van, and we're really looking forward to it.
It is the first of the season, and it's our anniversary. But we are going to do a couple of films, aren't we?
Yeah, we are. And then the second one shortly after that, I'm away with the lads, aren't I?
Yeah, your first time, you're going to have a weekend with the lads.
Yeah,
so.
hey, caravanning on your own. Ooh,
I know, you're looking forward to that.
But yeah, we'd like to thank everybody that's recently subscribed, and also to our continued supporters who've been subscribed to the channel for quite a long time. Without you, we can't make these videos. And we really do appreciate your support, so thank you.
Yeah, we do. We appreciate all the comments, and you do try and reply to everyone. Yeah, you know. So please do leave.
If you've got a question, feel free to ask us. But in the meantime, I'd just like to say
bye for now.
Bye for now.